Shut up and sit down. Hello gang, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop, and I got a prezzie. Yeah, I got a prezzie. I'll put my hand over that address. I got a prezzie. Ooh, from my good old friend, Ross Medlock, folks. Just going to have a quick openage, just out of shot because there's a dress on the packet. And we've got some goodies in here, so just unload and open all of this lot. What have we got? Oh, we got some Warhammer dudes, folks. We got some dudes. We got some dudage. Look at this, eh? Yeah, he sent me another load of dudes and orcs and Gretchens and all of that lot to sit and paint. So I'm going to sit and assemble all of these. And this will go with my ever-growing Warhammer collection. So I've got a set of them. Oh, nice. Ooh. Number 50, he says. We've got some, looks like some terrainy type buildings going on there, peeps. Let's have a looky those, shall we? Sorry about the rustling bed. Look at that lot, eh? Oh, look at that. Columns with skulls and gears and all of that lot. And this will come in handy for my display shelf, peeps. Because where all this stuff lives, I'm kind of building a bit of a dio in the shelf. So that everything that's sitting there's got something in the background going on. So I shall get these all primed and painted up, Ross. Many thanks for them, mate. He's seen the new man cave, see, and he wants to add the touch to it. We've got various bits of wooden bridge and other terrainy stuff going on in there. Look at that lot, and it looks like some kind of big head going on there. So we'll have a bit of that built, and again that'll add, excuse me, that'll add a bit of interest going on. Look at him, old stone face there. Have you a bit of that? So we can have him in the background. So I can see already, Ross, where you're going with this, mate. I've got another load of dudes here going on. See, and they're looking all mean and moody. Again, it's plenty for me to paint. And that's what he's up to. I can see it because I'm trying to get into painting the miniatures and learn that. And he's helping me out massively by sending me shed loads of these. So again, Ross, many thanks for this. Massively appreciated, and it lets me hone my painting skills. We got some stuff that is in bubble wrap. Bless him. Oh, I can see already there. Oh, good man. You legend. Airbrush cleaner. Get in there. Get in there. That standing joke in the hangout is I do like cleaning my airbrushes, and I'll sometimes sit there and just pick them up and I line them all up across the bench, and I just sit and field strip them and clean them out because I find it really relaxing and really therapeutic. So he sent me down a couple of bottles of airbrush cleaner, bless him, to keep me going. He's a rotter. I cleaned that up, didn't I? So yeah, a couple of bottles of airbrush cleaner. Yeah, I know, Ross. Yeah. What are you doing, Cole? Cleaning my airbrushes again? Yeah. Again, he says. And we have, oh, brilliant. He sent me down some mixing pots. Oh, mate, you ledge. Absolute legend, mate. Absolute diamond. Purely because I do concoct some of my own paint colours when I'm doing some of my lacquers. And I like to mix the paint up, give it a stir, let it gas off a little bit and whop it in and give them a spray. So this is absolutely, mate, going to be put to great use because, as you know, Ross, I have got quite a few shinies coming up for the channel. So it will let me do all of them rather suavely, mate. And this is a plane. Me and Dave have been sent one of these, and we've got to build it, but we can't build it as it's intended to be. We've got to modify it or do something to it so it's different. So we've both got one of these, and we're both going to be sitting there. I I think he sent Dave a biplane, if I remember rightly. But yeah, we've got to build these in a way that is different to what they was intended, if I remember rightly. I need to pick Ross's brains to find out what his original idea for these was. So yeah, got ourselves a nice little kit there. Takes me back, seeing them stands again, takes me back to when I was a little lad, mate. So yeah, again, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful box of goodies from a very, very kind man. So Ross, yeah, again, mate, thank you, thank you, thank you, and thank you. I will get this lot all put to one side, ready to go, mate. And we'll be doing some of these on the live streams and getting them done, mate. And I'll actually probably film them, get them filmed, and then we can start laying out the diorama on the shelves, mate. So massive, massive thanks to Ross. Pop over and subscribe to his channel. He is a fellow YouTuber over at Scale Model Ninja with an N. I'll put the link in the description below where his channel is. Go and share the love, folks. Give him a like and a subscribe. He's a lovely little chap, and yeah, part of the groovy gang. So we'll catch you later. Tune in for the next one, folks, and stay safe, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye for now.